Are you ready for a device that's lightweight, stylish, and powerful enough to replace your laptop? Meet the Huawei MatePad 12X, an ultra-portable tablet packed with PC-level capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this device the ultimate productivity powerhouse. This sleek tablet comes in two stunning colors, classic white and a subtle shade of green. Weighing just over 500 grams, it's incredibly light, super slim, and easy to carry anywhere. And the finish? Smooth, fingerprint-resistant, and oh so clean. Power isn't a problem either. With a 10,100 mAh battery and 6.6W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 85 minutes. Long-lasting power, super fast charging perfect for work or play on the go. Here's where it gets exciting. The MatePad 12X is more than just a tablet. Pair it with the smart magnetic keyboard, which connects instantly and you're ready for a PC-level typing experience. Plus, it's stain-resistant for a clean, worrying-free setup. Need to work on documents, spreadsheets, or presentations? The PC-level WPS Office suite built into the tablet supports multitasking and offers full compatibility with Office 365. Add a Bluetooth mouse for precise navigation, and you're all set for serious productivity. For creators, the third-gen Huawei M-Pencil is a dream come true. With 10,000 pressure sensitivity levels and low latency, it feels just like writing on paper. Whether you're taking notes in Huawei Notes or drawing in the GoPaint app with its 150-plus brushes, this tablet delivers. The 12-inch to 8K display with a 144Hz refresh rate makes everything smooth and vibrant. And thanks to the anti-reflective paper mat technology, you can work comfortably even under bright light. Bonus, it's easier on your eyes with 4 levels of eye protection. Worried about apps? Don't be. The Huawei MatePad 12X supports all your favorite Google apps and more via the Huawei App Gallery. So, can the Huawei MatePad 12X replace your PC? With its portability, performance, and features, it's a serious contender. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.